What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with these nails. So first I'm going to use the mini mandrel bit from Kiara Sky and the fine sanding bit and just etch the inside of these Apres long almond, I believe these are. And I'm going to use the Apres Extend Gel to adhere these to my nails. I know I was supposed to be using polygel, but honestly, y'all, I completely forgot I was supposed to be using polygel, and I just applied it like GelX. I was going to use the Lazy Girl method since the Beatles polygel kit was like small bottles, but yeah, I just completely forgot. So I'm applying it as GelX. And on this nail, I didn't apply enough, so I scraped it off and applied a little bit more Extend Gel and then cured it. But honestly, I'm really using too much. Like, when you're doing it like on the client or on yourself to last, you really don't want the Extend Gel to go past your natural nail. But I was just trying to hurry up and do this, so I wasn't really like caring too much. But yeah, just make sure you do that. Now I'm going to take a buffer and buff away the shininess on the natural nail or on the extension so that the gel polish can have better adhesion. And now I'm using that polish that you just seen, and I'm going to apply 2 layers of that. I really love this brand for their like nude colors. I think they are perfect for Frenchies. And then I'm gonna use this cleanup brush that's really messed up. I honestly need a new one, but yeah, I'm gonna use that with some acetone to clean around my cuticles and cure that. And then we're gonna get into the nail art, and I'm using a white gel liner brush to draw my deep French and make it super crisp because we love a good crisp French over here. We don't want no dull, thick, crusty looking French, okay? We want it clean and cute. So for the pinky nail, I am trying out the lace design that has the bow at the top. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen that like all over social media. I know I have. And now I'm finally trying it for the first time. And I absolutely love this nail. I would suggest though that if you are gonna apply the bow, that you use just a little bit of acrylic so that it doesn't like a rip off or anything. I think acrylic is like the best bonder for bigger charms like this. But yeah, so the cat stickers and this little stamper light I got from Amazon that will be linked in the description. And now I'm going to draw the heart around the cat, which I started from the bottom at first. Started from the bottom now, yeah. Nah, but I started from the bottom at first and tried to draw the heart that way, but I didn't like it. It was really thick. So I went in with the acetone and tried to carefully clean that off. And then I started from the top with a thinner line, and that worked out a lot better. So we just went along with that, did the outline for that, and made the lines look even. Then I'm gonna go in with these like half circles around the heart to make it look like lace. Honestly, this was like my favorite nail. Honestly, like this is just so cute. So this nail, I'm pretty sure y'all have seen all over Instagram as well. So first I'm going to draw the outlines of the shapes that I want and like where I want to position at. And then I'm going to fill them in, go around my cuticle, and then I'm going to go in with the cleanup brush again with acetone to like shape up the space or like yeah, just clean it up because like it was looking real thick and we want it to look real slim. Like I said, I know I was supposed to use the poly gel, but I completely forgot, y'all. So make sure that you are subscribed and you have my post notifications on because the next video I definitely will be using the poly gel. I most likely am going to be using the lazy girl method. If not, then I will just be, you know, doing it regularly. But yeah, make sure you're subscribed so you guys can see that. And for this nail, I tried to do like a lace French tip, but it didn't turn out cute. I didn't really like it when I got to this side, but I was like, you know, let me follow through and see if I like it or not, which I didn't, and wiped it right on off. And then I went in and redrew the line and just left it as a double French. Well, like, tried to do it and then I think I messed up again. But like, moral of the story, you know, if it don't look right, you can always just erase it. You know, it's not final until you cure it. So yeah, I went in and added some charms. I went in and added some rhinestones to bring some bling and kawaii cuteness to this set, and I really love how this turned out. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed. I was gonna do this at first, but then I was like, I don't know, but I really should have done it first. And I went in and added this glitter gel polish over the nails before I top coated it, and it really just brought it all together. Like, it was cute without it, but it's even cuter with it. I'm just so obsessed with these nails. Like, they are so cute. This is my first time doing a Coquette nails design. I think that's how you say it. But yeah, I used that little dotting tool to get in between the heart so that it wouldn't go on the rhinestone. And I am going to use the Beatles top coat. At least, you know, I'm using something from the kit. At least I'm using something from the kit, y'all. But yeah, I guess I can say that this top coat is really glossy. I like how it's kind of thick, but not like too thick, you know? But yeah, I'm obsessed with these nails, y'all. If you are obsessed like I am, definitely let me know down in the comments which nail is your favorite. Let me know if you like this video, what part was your favorite. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.